The Burlington High School class of 2022 will begin the next chapter in their lives after receiving their diplomas during the graduation ceremony on June 5th. BHS kept the festivities going that evening at Kings Bowl on 3rd Avenue for the class's all-night graduation party.
The class of 2022 is exceptionally fun and bright. My experience has been nothing but short of wonderful. Every kid I've worked with has been very fun to work with, but also very intelligent. I feel very lucky to work with the class of 2022.
The last couple of years have been kind of funny for you guys because it was either hybrid schedules or a lot of the time you were masked the last couple of years. So it feels like we just started getting to know your grade once the mask came off and the personalities, the smiles came out. So I always miss the personalities, the students. We get to know them so well. We'll miss seeing you guys in the hallway.
Dan Wynn spoke to quite a few graduates that evening on what their plans are going forward and what they will miss from high school.
College.
St. Anselm.
Southern New Hampshire.
Merrimack College.
What are you majoring in?
Business, I think.
Elementary education.
Communications and media.
I'm going to miss my classmates in the community that is Burlington High School. We're all so close, and I think this year just brought us even closer together. We're going to we had an awesome graduation today, and an awesome senior year. I'm going to miss these guys.
I'm going to BU.
UMass Lowell. What are you guys majoring in?
Mechanical engineering.
Finance.
I would hope that the environment in college will be similar to what is in high school, so I hope I won't miss anything.
You, Nick? I honestly miss, obviously we're gonna experience a lot of things in college. I just miss being so used to comfortable, like being around you guys since I've been around you guys since middle school. I don't know, that's what's gonna hit. New beginnings is what's kind of scaring me.
Where are you going next year?
Bryant University.
What are you going there for?
Marketing and sales.
Awesome. Are you gonna miss anything from this class? From any people? Like what?
I'm gonna miss my teachers. They're the best, man. Yeah. I'm gonna miss my friends too.
Every year, the graduating class watches a hypnotist show put on by Frank Santos Jr.
So experiences, I'm trying to make the kids have the best 1 hour of the night. I try and change it up. These kids haven't seen my show, so I do a lot of the same stuff, but it's a lot of fun.
Congratulations, class of 2022. We wish you nothing but the best of luck in your futures. From Kings Bowl on 3rd Avenue, I'm Robert Paris for BNEWS Weekly.